Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So as you can tell by the title of this video, my lips are so chapped. I need help. One moment. Much better. So I'm coming at you barefaced today, as you can see or tell by the title of this video. I am going to be doing my at-home brow lamination routine. And I'm super excited to film this because during quarantine, I know that where I live, we've opened stuff back up again, but I know some people are a little hesitant to still go out. Is it like really bright in here? Is that better? I think it's a little bit better. I know that some people are still a little hesitant to go out, and where I live, things are opening back up again, but I know that there are a lot of places that aren't. So I know that we've been doing a lot of things at home, including nails, brow lamination, waxing, things that you would typically go get done. People have been doing them here at home. So that is what I'm going to be doing for you guys today. A little disclaimer. You're going to see these a lot. My nails, they are atrocious. They are absolutely 1000% hideous. But I really wanted to film this video and I need to do them like yesterday. Like I really need to do my nails. So disclaimer, I am gonna do my nails soon. Also another disclaimer, if you can hear my lens doing things on the inside of the camera, I can't hear it right now. Like if I'm quiet, I don't hear my camera doing anything. But in the last few videos that I filmed, I did film all of those before I got to edit any of them. So I was like pre-filming some stuff. And then I went through and I was editing them, and I know that you can hear the lens either focusing or doing whatever it needs to do in the camera. Like I know you can hear it right now. I can't, but I know you can. I'm on the hunt for a new lens. I didn't realize that this lens was so noisy. So yeah, I'm really sorry about that. Also, I could probably shut these blinds maybe. So yeah, I'm super sorry that I know that you can hear that. So a little disclaimer with that as well. Also my hair, I went a little like Spice Girl today, and I'm actually loving it. So yes, I just wanted to disclaim those things really quickly. Also, we have a friend. It was that time of the month. It is not anymore. So we have a friend here and here, and they are just here to stay for as long as they want to. So yeah, I am gonna go ahead. This little piece right here is like really stressing me out. So yeah, I am really sorry about the lens. Like I said, I'm on the search for a new one. So yes, I guess we will just go ahead. If you want to see me laminate these brows and get them real fluffy and spiky, then just keep watching. This video, you are only going to need two things, and you are going to need some kind of lash lift brow lamination kit. I did get this one off Amazon, so I will have this linked below. And then the other thing that you're going to need is plastic wrap. I know that sounds crazy, but yeah, you're going to need some plastic wrap. So those are all the things that you're going to need for this video. I have done this before. I have laminated my brows once. So that is why I am showing you guys today. This is not like a first impression. Does it work? I know it works. I just wanted to show you guys what my brow lamination routine is like, because I did my brows a long time ago during quarantine and they looked amazing. And I haven't done them, in a long time, and they are not, sticking straight up anymore. They definitely need to be done again. And I feel like I can't do my brows, or my brows don't look good unless, they're spiky. So like I've been meaning to do them, and I feel like I can't even do my brows right now because my brows are not laminated. So if that tells you anything about how like obsessed I was with them, then yeah. So also you're gonna need a spoolie. I can't remember if they have them in here, but if they don't, you'll need a spoolie. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into this kit. This is a lash lift kit, so you can do that as well. They give you the patches and everything that you need for, like, well, you can see me. It won't focus. But they do give you the pouches and stuff that you need to put like on, like up here when you do the lash lift, but we're not going to be doing that. We are going to be doing the brows, and it's all hair, so it all is the same. So it's fine. You'll be just fine. I am not going to send you into something that is gonna harm you. So yes, and I'm gonna be like reading a little bit because it's been so long, I literally can't remember how to do it. Sorry. They do give us spoolies in the box, which is nice. I don't want anything to fall out. So you have, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, the steps. This is the glue, the little spoolies and stuff go here. And then we're not really gonna be using the lift pads, but it's fine. Okay, so first I'm gonna put the glue on my eyebrows. I'm gonna zoom you in for this because this is a brow tutorial. That's as far as we go. Okay. Okay, so that is as far as that we can get in. So I hope you can see what's happening. So what we do first is we take the false lash glue is what it's called, but it's just like a glue, and you just wanna run this through your brows. So you're just gonna wanna put the lash glue on like I'm doing, and then take your spoolie and brush them up. So take the spoolie that they give you and brush them up. This lash glue dries very, very quickly. So yeah, I just want you to know that. And then they're gonna look crazy, but it's okay. Okay, so next you're gonna use the next solution. Okay, so this is the perm solution. It doesn't want to focus on it, but this is number 1, and this is the perm solution. So then you're just gonna take one, I've already coated it, but they give you these little brushes, the little ones with the little tiny face, and you're gonna take the perm solution and you're literally just gonna like brush it through. Okay, so I'm literally just like taking it out of the bottle like this and just brushing it on. I'm gonna make sure you get all your hairs because this is the one that really, really matters. This is the perm solution. So this is literally what's gonna make them stick up. So you wanna make sure they're all coated and like really in the position that you want them to be. And I'm gonna trim them after, obviously, because they're very long because I haven't done them in so long because I wanted to film this video with you guys. And then after I do that, I also take the spoolie again and run it through just so they're in the position that I want them in. Okay, and then this is where your clear film, where your like cling wrap comes in handy. Because you're literally gonna take your cling wrap and you're gonna stick it. I know this looks crazy, but you're literally gonna stick it up like that, and you're gonna let it sit for 8 to 10 minutes. So I will be back. I will be back in 8 to 10 minutes. So yeah, just hang out. I'm probably gonna scroll on TikTok, you know, do unnecessary things, and I will be back in like 10 minutes. It just turned 8:36, so 3:36, so I'm gonna say 3:35. I will be back at 3:45. My Face ID won't work with this on. That's funny. Okay, so really quick, it says to clean. It says, it is recommended to carefully remove perm lotion from eyelashes and silicone pad before applying the fixation. So I'm gonna take, it doesn't say what to use, so I'm just gonna take the little cleanser that it gave me and just put a little bit on there and just start to maybe take a little bit of that perm off. It doesn't say what to use. I think either way it's gonna be fine. So I wiped that off a little bit. And then it says to take the fixation. Apply number 2 fixation lotion with the micro applicator, which is the one that I just used. Apply, and it says to let that sit on as well. Okay, so we are literally gonna do the same thing. We're gonna take the fixation and we are gonna put that on. And I really, really focus a lot on this area because this is the area of my brow that gives me the worst time is this front piece right here, because they don't grow up. Like, thankfully, this brow, the inside of my hair, or like the inside of my brow hairs, they naturally just grow straight up. These grow backwards, so they literally grow this way, and it's so frustrating when you're trying to get a fluffy brow, because you can't get a fluffy brow if your hairs grow backwards. So I really focus a lot on that front part, and you should do the same on any part of your brow where you need a little extra attention. So I really take my time on getting those brow hairs exactly where I want them. Okay, I know these look psycho, but everything is gonna come together in the end, I promise. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that cling film again. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the opposite side, and I'm literally just going to stamp it again, and I'm gonna leave it for another 10 minutes. So right now, it is 3:51. I will be back at around 4 o'clock, and I think we're basically done at that point. So yeah, I will be back at 4, and we will finish off these brows. I literally just filmed a TikTok in the middle of this, so yeah, I'm just living my best over here, honestly. All right, it is 4 o'clock. Let's go ahead and peel this bad boy off. Oh, we are done with the cling wrap. So this is what they're looking like. I know they look crazy. Just bear with me, people. Bear with me. So I'm literally just going to take, I don't know why I used a paper towel last time. That's so rough. I'm just going to take a cotton swab, and I'm literally just going to wipe off any of the excess that I can without using anything on it. They're looking crazy. Okay, so then I'm gonna take the number 3. It's the fixation on this cotton pad, and it's not fixation. That was number 2. The nutrition, sorry. Literally just like a little dot, and I'm just gonna nourish my brows because they just went through some traumatic stuff. So I'm just gonna nourish them up real good. Just one little dot. I don't know if you can see that. Just one little dot should do just fine. And I'm still brushing up, just cause. Oh, there's a freaking bug in here. You better get on somewhere. Yes, I'm still brushing up. These cotton pads are not the best, but. All right, now that we have literal shit everywhere. Okay, so after I do that, I'm gonna take another cotton pad, and I'm gonna take the cleanser one more time just to make sure everything is gone off of my lashes, off of my brows, because I don't want the perm to like sit there on my skin. Yeah, I'm just taking the cleanser, and I'm just wiping everything off. Even the nutrition, all that good stuff is just going away. And then I'm gonna flip over on the dry side and rub it one more time just to make sure everything's gone. All right, and then I'm gonna take my spoolie and brush everything up. Just did this really quick just to make sure it worked. Don't try this at home, kids, because I'm being very reckless right now, but I can't find my lash scissors anywhere. I just did makeup this past weekend, and they're literally not where I left them, so I don't have a clue. So I found these. Don't try this. Don't do this at home. Don't use cracked scissors to cut your brows. But I feel confident enough in myself that I can do this. So basically what I do is I'll brush them up, and then I'll hold them while I trim. Like I said, please don't try this at home. Use brow scissors, lash scissors. It works a whole lot better. Yeah. So I basically just do that. Yeah, so, and then I brush this side part out. Move my hairs out of the way. Because you don't want You don't want them like sticking out too far, especially if they're like really straight. If you keep them the length that they are, it's gonna look crazy. Okay, so after you have scarily trimmed your brows, just give them a little brush and that should do it. I'm gonna take you guys off the tripod and bring you closer so that you can like see what it looks like. So this is what they look like, you know, after the fact. This is what it looks like. So this is one brow. I literally have like perm in my hair, so please don't pay attention to that. And then this is the other brow. So yeah, that is the other brow. So as you can tell, they're just very straight, like the hairs just stick up. It just makes it a whole lot easier to achieve that like fluffy brow look. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I was gonna say makeup tutorial. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun filming this just because it feels so freaking good to finally laminate my brows again, because I've been like on the struggle bus trying to do my brows without them being laminated, because this is just how I fill my brows in now. I'm definitely on the fluffy brow trend. So them not being laminated, it was making it very hard for me to do so. So yeah, I am so happy that I filmed this video. I really hope you guys found this helpful. If you guys are trying to, you know, do your own brow lamination at home, I really hope you found this video helpful. I know a lot of people, including myself, really don't like to leave the house unless it's necessary. And I know, you know, maintenance for, you know, women is a necessity, but it's not necessary like the grocery store or something. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry I'm messing with my hair a lot. I think this hairstyle is just so cute. And I'm like loving the way it's looking on myself specifically. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know down in the comments if you found this video helpful. If you want to see anything else like at home, like how I do my nails at home, how I wax my legs at home, you know, just, you know, things that we are now doing at home because it's easier and safer and all that good stuff like that. I was going to say good jazz, all of that jazz, all of that good stuff. You get the gist. So yeah. Let me know down in the comments if you liked this video. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Like I said, I really hope this video was helpful. And thank you guys so much for all of the entries on the giveaway. I did pick a winner, Michelle Madrill. I went to high school with her. She did win the giveaway. So thank you guys so much to everyone that entered. There will be more, so just keep your eyes peeled for that. And yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you have not already, and I will see all of you in my next video.